How to return parcel in Shein. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to return a parcel in Shein. First, sign in to your Shein account. Then, find the order in My Orders and click the Return Item button. Next, select the items you want to return, indicate the reason, and submit the request. After that, a return number will be provided. Follow the return list guidelines to complete the return. Now, pack the items and drop off the package at any collection point found using Find a Store. Inform the staff of the return number, and they will print and attach the return label to the package. If you choose to self-send the return, first, sign in to your Shein account. Then, find the order in My Orders and click the Return Item button. Next, select the items you want to return, indicate the reason, and submit. After that, select the return method and refund method. Pack the items in their original packaging. Finally, choose your own logistics company at your own cost and mail the package. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.